this great electrical car upgrade wire connector set, and I am super excited to put this to use. I've got some projects both on a four-wheeler and a car that I could use this on. It comes with a nice fishing tackle box, and it's very organized for not just one particular use. You can store this and you can have it ready to go next time you come into an electrical issue with your car or with any other motor vehicle that you could use this on. You've got sets of electrical adapters. So you got two wires that you want to connect and be able to connect those quickly and efficiently and have them be weather resistant. And so that's what this set is all for. And so here it comes, this particular one is a 1-pin set, and of course you'll have this side here, the female side and the male side, and on the ends you'll attach the wires to both of these and then connect these to complete the circuit and to connect those wires. And so when you do connect those, it will just click into place and then you'll be all set. 3-pin set, so there you can tell, 3 pins. Once again, that works the same, just clicks in together. You've got a 4-pin set, and then a 2-pin set. And then here, you've got some rubber seals for those electrical wires. You definitely don't want water or dust or anything getting inside of that electrical set, so they've got you some seals to get you covered there, and then some male and female electrical terminals to make sure those connections are strong and intact. That will definitely not pull away from these connectors once they're installed correctly. And then, of course, if this may be your first time working with this or a DIY project, it does include instructions that are very well laid out, easy to follow. You will need a crimping tool to make sure that you can crimp all these wires together with the terminals and get those secured in this set. So here I'll bring it up close to you and show you the box that it comes with, and then I will open it up. So there are the 2 pieces that come together, and you can click those together and have them remain together by this knob right there. And once again, here are the rubber seals, male and female terminal pieces, and there are 46 male and 46 female pieces for that. Here are 3 sets of 2-pin, 5 sets of 2-pin, 3 sets of 4-pin, 3 sets of 3-pin, and 6 sets of 1-pin. All right, I believe that covers just about everything in this set. Once again, I'm excited about it. Get some projects done around the garage, car, ATV, what have you. This will get the job done very efficiently and a quality set that you won't have any issues with in the future. And that is what counts.